In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile your bank in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to compare your QuickBooks records to your bank statement and make sure everything lines up perfectly. Let's start by getting to the Reconcile screen. When you're logged into QuickBooks Online, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. In the menu that opens, you'll see a section called Tools. Under that section, choose Reconcile. Depending on your version, you might also be able to get there by going to Accounting and then Reconcile, or by going to Transactions and selecting Reconcile. All of these paths will take you to the same reconciliation area. Once you're on the Reconcile page, you'll choose which account you want to work on. Use the drop-down menu to pick the bank or credit card account that matches the paper or PDF statement you have in front of you. Then, type in the ending balance and the ending date exactly as they appear on that bank statement. It's important not to round or estimate here. Use the exact numbers and dates so your reconciliation is accurate. Before you move on, take a moment to look at the beginning balance that QuickBooks shows you. That beginning balance should match the opening balance on your current bank statement. If it doesn't match, it usually means a past reconciliation was changed or a previously cleared transaction was deleted or edited. In that case, you'll want to pause and investigate before continuing. Otherwise, your current reconciliation will be off. When your statement details are correct, click Start Reconciling. QuickBooks will now display a list of transactions for that account and period. This is where you'll compare what's in QuickBooks to what's on your bank statement. Go line by line through your bank statement. For each transaction you see on the statement, find the matching transaction in QuickBooks and check it off. Many downloaded and matched transactions may already be checked, which is fine as long as they're on your statement. Anything in QuickBooks that does not appear on the bank statement should stay unchecked. If you see service charges or interest income on the statement that are not in QuickBooks yet, enter them so that everything on the statement is represented. Keep checking transactions until the difference shown at the bottom of the screen is 0. Once that difference is 0, click Finish Now. QuickBooks will generate a reconciliation report that you can view, save, or print for your records.